Hey, what's up? My name is Ramone and welcome to a Mint cooking series. I'm going to be your personal chef. I'm going to just show you some really cool Christmas hacks. Today we're going to be cooking some delicious roast vegetables. How to make the perfect roast veg. Carrots, parsnips, herbs, a little bit of garlic, and we're just going to finish it with honey. Don't worry about boiling it. You're going to pull out all those nutrients. You're going to soak it up with water. This way, really quick. Roast in the pan, get a little bit of color, finish in the oven. Done. Delicious. So, peel. Start from the top, work your way down. Start from the top and work your way down. Done. Parsnips. Once you've peeled, tops, bottoms off. Get rid. And then all you want to do, this is a perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Straight down the middle. And again, straight down the middle. So you want about 4, yeah? Just like that. So now you've got your carrots cut. You just want to finish with your parsnips, exactly the same, top and tail. Leave them that size, no problem. Straight down the middle. If you are a bit fussy, this rooty bit is quite tough. So what you can do is do it on an angle. Take out one, and then you see this woody bit, take out and discard. But if you're not that fussed, straight down the middle again. So you want to get 3 to 4 pieces out of each parsnip. So carrots, parsnips, peeled, chopped, straight in a pan, done. A little bit of oil. Remember, nice hot pan, yeah? Hover over, you can see the smoke, so it's nice and hot. And then listen as well, so pop in one. If you hear that sound, you know it's good to go. If you don't, wait. 3 minutes on either side, so straight in the pan, and we just want to get some nice colour on these. As soon as we get that golden brown texture, we know it's almost good to go. See that golden brown colour? That's exactly what we need. All that is just oil. We're just incorporating, increasing the caramelization from the sugar that's already in the carrots from already been past it. And then we're going to just push it to another level now. So a little bit of thyme, a little trick. Take up the thyme leaves, start from the top and just run your fingers down and literally the thyme leaves straight in. A little bit of rosemary, again exactly the same. Start from the top, run your fingers down. You can even put the stem in because we're going to take that out. Garlic, 3 or 4 bits. For that amount of parsnips and carrots, 2, 3, 4 if you really love garlic. Knife on top, crush, and literally just pop in. How delicious that already looks already. Just to finish, generous amount of salt, pepper, bit of honey, garlic, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of honey. If you have a metal handle, straight in the oven. If you haven't, transfer it into your baking tray and just finish off in the oven. Just a quick recap, pan fried, a little bit of color in the oven, another 5-10 minutes. Let's have a look. Look at that. Nice and caramelized, golden brown, sticky, sweet. You've been with Ramone the Chef. Today we cooked delicious roast vegetables. Like, subscribe, comment, and tune in for another recipe next week.